Hello and welcome to solving SQL problem 11. Yeah, this is the problem of today. I'm not gonna read this to save you time. I'm gonna just basically explain because it's straightforward and easy to understand the problem. So this table is displaying in each day the orders made by clients. And what you need to do is figure out a way to display for each day the number of new clients and number of repeated clients. Obviously, any clients that came in the first day is considered a new client. Then need to go to the second day, day 2, and if you can see here 400 and 500 never bought before, so we counted them as new, and 100 is an old client, it's counted as one. Yeah, you can pause the video and try it yourself, then continue watching this video. I never mentioned this before, but in the description you can find link for this Google Sheet that contains the create, insert table, the problem, the expected results, and also the solution. So let's get our hands dirty now. Alright, this is our table. The approach that we're gonna work with is, I know that there are many ways, but my way to solve this is to display the minimum order date for each customer. And you will see further in this video how we're gonna use it. So for each customer ID, I'm gonna look for the minimum order date. Group by customer ID. Alright, so for each customer here, I know the first day on which they purchased a product. For example, 300. He purchased on the first date. And I think you probably know where I'm going with this. So let me put this with CTE as okay. What I'm gonna do is to join this CTE with our customer order table. Inner join CTE on with customer ID oops. Yeah, I notice many YouTubers, when they make a mistake, they say, oops, sorry. So I'm gonna do that. Sorry. Okay, let me show you what this gives us. Alright. So basically here, if you see for those clients, since they are on the first date, you will see that the date of their minimum purchase is on the first. And on the second date, you will see here that the customer ID 100, his minimum date is 1st of January, meaning that this is an old client. But in here, the minimum is equal to the order date here. I think you recognize the pattern here. So wherever the order date is equal to the minimum date, let me name this mean date. Yeah. So wherever order date is equal to the minimum date, meaning this is a new client. If it's different, meaning that is a repeated client. To achieve that, let me use, okay, on the expected results, I'm gonna display in each date, you know. This is why I need to use order date, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna obviously use case when to say if order date is equal to mean date, then 1, and as if is equal, this is a new client, and the opposite for repeated client, the order date is not equal to the minimum date. This is repeated client. Okay, let's see. All right. By the way, I displayed 1 when it fulfills our condition, and I didn't put L0 or something. I keep it like that in order to display null when it doesn't fulfill the condition, because I'm gonna use count, and count doesn't, well, doesn't count the null. All right, okay, I hope this is clear. Let me put this in count. Group by order date, order by order date. Yeah, and post gray you can use 1 referring to the first column here. I can type order date, doesn't make no difference, in case you're wondering. Okay, let's see the result. Let's compare it with our, okay, see here, we're getting the expected result. Okay, then thank you for watching, and see you in solving SQL problem 12. Have a nice day.